Yep, thanks, Mark. You want me to show it now?
Yeah, go for it.
Go for it.
Okay, great. Let me swap the video. Stop. There it is. All right, so second package, arrived this week. And this is the ultrasound circuit. And I'm currently, writing down the electronics, updating his schematic for it, and working on a build of materials. I'll share this on American Anti-Gravity's Facebook and on our 24/7 APEC WhatsApp. That's a quick schematics to work on that. And the other circuit that came in was the high voltage. He's showing here it's at 20,000 volts, and just an on-off switch. And it's powered by this adapter power. And it has the standard like European outlet. I got an adapter for that. And I think there's more to this circuit that will be arriving with the third and final package, which has the Graviflyer frame. Currently the output just has these two wires, which are soldered and look like they crimp onto the diode capacitor array, which I'm still not sure how that works. The first package was the gravitometer, as he's calling it, and the Tesla coil or a catcher. And I've already taken those apart and built those. I've built a few other models of the Tesla coil there. And aside three of them, I was trying John Hodgson's effect of having three Tesla coils together and see if there's any interference bands with a radio receiving those signals. And you can kind of hear the electromagnetic fields interacting with that. And I have that on my YouTube channel at Charlie C. Yep, YouTube. And that's about it. There's some interesting designs here with this transformer. He wound another wire around a toroid inductor to make this transformer for the piezoelectric. If anyone's wondering, it's a real small piezoelectric speaker, same that used in like birthday cards. And it's really good for high frequency, like ultrasound that he's using. But they're all pretty simple circuits. Once you can see on the side, this one is the Flyback Transformer. He has here, and you get this from like an old CRT, or he said a computer monitor, I guess. And these are some high 5-watt resistors. This is a transistor with a huge heat sink. This whole black part is a heat sink. And that's about it. The rest is, so I haven't turned on these two yet, but they're similar to his workmanship with this other design. So just want to make sure all the electronics, everything look right before turning them on and testing them, but hopefully that'll be this week. And when the last package comes next week, I'll be able to put everything together and start testing them. So I'll look forward to that. And yeah, that's it for now.